Great. So once you're logged in, you can get started with discovering creators right away. You can search them using filters or directly by their profiles. You can also choose to compare between multiple different creators. Let's try filtering out our creator from LinkedIn. I'll start with followers. So I'm looking for someone who has 50,000 to 500,000 followers. I can also simply check out all the filters in one place by clicking on More Filters here. Next, I want the creator to be from the United States. For that, I can simply just select United States from this list. I would also want someone with an engagement rate greater than 5% and talk about finance and technology. Great! So once the filters have been added, I can simply click on Get Results to get my list of creators. From here, you can already access key details like the creator's current job title, company, follower count, connections, and engagement rate, giving you a strong foundation to assess whether they're the right fit for your campaign. For a deeper dive, simply click on the profile to explore more comprehensive details. Here, you can access their LinkedIn bio, personal description, location, spoken languages, availability of contact details, and more. Next, you can explore their content performance in detail, looking at key metrics like average likes, shares, and comments per post, as well as how frequently they publish new content. You can browse their top-performing content along with their most recent posts to get a sense of their current engagement and style. You can further explore their professional background, including work experience and education, along with insights into their frequently used hashtags, key topics, and notable mentions. If everything meets your criteria, you can easily shortlist the creator for your list or continue browsing to discover more potential creators. Connect with us at www.getphyllo.com.